now I would like to request Rahul Abhishek.
Before taking your question, just wait. पूरा प्रेशर कुकर बन गया हुआ दिमाग में. टेंशन टेंशन टेंशन, एक से एक स्ट्रैटेजी सब लोग दे चुके हैं, ठीक है. हमें लगता है कि हमें कोई स्ट्रैटेजी देने की जरूरत है, स्पेशली मी. आई विल जस्ट टेल यू गाइस हाउ टू हैंडल फेलियर. Okay, all are rank holders, no doubt. Very well said. All the strategies, very good, all good. But what if? Because there are limited seats, right? One of you might not get through that. I have been in that position because this was my third attempt. Okay, first was after just college, didn't get through. Reached interview level. Second attempt again on the interview panel, but didn't get through. It was in my head. I went through approximately 10 days of depression, to be precise, after my second attempt. Then what exactly hit me? That this is just an examination. Okay, it is just an examination, so just take it as it is. बहुतों ने बहुत कुछ बोला. You have to be in a disciplined manner. Totally correct. Be it. But what if not? Just enjoy your life. That's only I have to say. Things will fall in place. Just trust your process. Coming back to me, after having those 10 days of depression, I have qualified UGC NET. I have been assistant professor of SRM Chennai. Cut to UPS Dehradun. Currently, I am serving as an APU Nalanda, and now this.
हुआ तो सब एक ही बार हो गया. सही हो रहा था तो डिले हो रहा था प्रोसेस.
Just enjoy your life. That's all I have to say.
So that is why not give up, है ना. गिव अप करने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस में रहिए, क्योंकि एक बार होने लगेगा सब कुछ हो जाएगा बैक टू बैक. So like कैसे हैंडल किए, like how did you like recover from those situations?
Legit, I'm telling you, this could be subjective to each and every person. So no doubt about it. Everyone must have remember वो India versus Pakistan 2022 T20 World Cup match, right? वो just result के 12 दिन के बाद हो रहा था, ठीक है. And I was legit at my flat, no one there. Diwali night, अकेले. In the thought process, because it's not about being professionally backward, because you are preparing with your bunch of friends, right? And everyone gets through. You are being just stayed back. That's hit your head. Okay. But coming back, that match, when the winning percentage was 15% of India, turning up to 100%, only because of one man named Virat Kohli. So when that particular person just keeping him in that particular fate, in that particular position, and making India win, why don't you? Okay, this is just an examination. Have faith and enjoy your life. That's all I have to say.